explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 18th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is letter writing, right? So we are going to begin with the letter writing in this chapter. So let's see what they are telling us about them. So first of all, we have kinds of letters. अब जल्दी से काइंड्स ऑफ लेटर्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, राइट? सो दे से लेटर्स आर मेनली ऑफ टू काइंड्स. तो ये जो लेटर्स हैं वो मेनली दो तरीके के होते हैं, राइट? फर्स्ट वी हैव द इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स एंड द सेकंड दैट वी हैव आर द इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स, राइट? सो जल्दी से पढ़ते हैं कि इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स आखिर क्या होते हैं. These letters are written to friends and relatives. कि ये जो letters हैं ये actually लिखे जाते हैं friends को या फिर relatives को. These are mainly messages, invitations, suggestions, requests, thanks, or the letters expressing sorrow on tragedies, illness, etc. Right? तो ये जो मैसेजेस हैं ये इन्हीं सब पर्पस के लिए लिखे जाते हैं, राइट? नेक्स्ट आर द फॉर्मल लेटर्स. नाउ व्हाट आर दीज फॉर्मल लेटर्स? दीज आर सच लेटर्स व्हिच आर रिटन टू एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसेस. कि ये ऐसे लेटर्स हैं जो कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसेस को लिखे जाते हैं, एमिनेंट पर्सन्स, बिजनेस फर्म्स एक्सेट्रा, राइट? जो कि ऑफिशियल पर्पस के लिए लिखे जाते हैं. These include complaint letters, letters to editors, inquiry letters, applications, etc. Right? ये include करते हैं complaint letters, letter to the editors, inquiry letters, applications और बहुत सी चीज़ें, right? Formal letters are also sent by email. ये जो formal letters हैं इन्हें हम email के थ्रू भी send कर सकते हैं, correct? Now, the next thing that we have is parts of a letter. तो अब बात की जाए letter के parts के बारे में. So let's see what they have. Every letter has following parts. कि हर लेटर में ये सभी पार्ट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. Let us see what are they. There are the heading, the salutations, the body of the letter, the subscription and the signature. Right? ये 5 पार्ट्स ऐसे हैं जो कि हर लेटर में मौजूद होते हैं. सो अब जल्दी से एक एक करके इन हेडिंग के बारे में डिटेल्स में जानते हैं. So the first one is heading. So in this part, own address and the date are written. तो इस पार्ट में एड्रेस और डेट जो है वो लिखी जाती है. These both things are written on the left side top. कि ये दोनों ही चीज़ें लेफ्ट साइड के टॉप कॉर्नर पर लिखी जाती है. While writing address in letter, comma should be used after the number and place of home, right? तो जब भी हम एड्रेस लिखते हैं लेटर्स में, कॉमास में, राइट, इट शुड नॉट बी यूज्ड आफ्टर द नंबर. कि वो नंबर के बाद कभी भी यूज नहीं किया जाना चाहिए. एंड प्लेस ऑफ होम, ना ही प्लेस ऑफ होम के बाद, राइट? द नेम ऑफ द सिटी और विलेज शुड बी रिटन इन नेक्स्ट लाइन. कि जो विलेज और सिटी का नेम होता है वो हमेशा एड्रेस के साथ नेक्स्ट लाइन में लिखते हैं, ना कि उसी सेम लाइन में. डेट शुड बी रिटन बिलो एड्रेस. और जो डेट है वो हमेशा एड्रेस के नीचे ही आती है, राइट? सो we have example also 17 New Colony, Udaipur, July 20 and the year to be mentioned, right? Next, we have the salutation. तो अब ये salutation क्या है? Let's see. It is written below the date on left corner. तो जो salutations हैं वो लिखे जाते हैं डेट के नीचे लेफ्ट कॉर्नर में ही, right? The salutation is written according to the person whom the letter is being written. तो जो salutation है वो लिखी जाती है पर्सन के अकॉर्डिंग जिसको हम लेटर लिख रहे हैं, राइट? सो रिलेटिव्स के लिए अलग होती हैं, फ्रेंड्स के लिए अलग होती हैं और बिजनेस पर्पसेस के लिए अलग होती है. सो रिलेटिव्स के लिए वी कैन यूज माय डियर फादर, मदर, ब्रदर, uncle, etc. Right? And for friend, it can be my dear Anil. For office or for business purposes, it can be sir, dear sir, or madam, etc. Right? Now, the next thing that we have is the body of the letter. तो अब बात की जाए body of the letter के बारे में. So, this is the main part of the letter. कि ये letter का main part होता है. It begins with the next line below the salutation. कि ये salutation की अगली line से start किया जाता है. All those things which the sender wants to say are written in this part. कि वो सभी चीज़ें जो sender बोलना चाहता है इसी body of the letter में लिखी जाती है. Right? The reason, the purpose of writing that letter is explained in the body of the letter. Right? Next. Now we have the subscription. तब बात की जाए subscription के बारे में. So, it is written in the end below the last line of the main body of letter. तो ये लिखा जाता है end में below the last line के नीचे, right? It begins with the left corner. Obviously सभी चीज़ left corner से ही start की जाती है, right? So for mother, father or uncle, you may write your loving son or daughter or nephew or niece, or it should be yours affectionately yours. You can write anything, right? For friend, it can be yours sincerely yours, or yours loving friend. Next, for business purpose or officers, it can be yours sincerely, yours faithfully, right? Next, we have the signature. So, what is the signature? Let's see. So, the letter must sign below the subscription. तो जो लेटर का राइटर है उसको हमेशा सब्सक्रिप्शन के नीचे साइन करना चाहिए to show that the letter has been written by you, right? Now, moving ahead, we have the format of a letter to a friend. So, ये format है जिसमें हम letter to a friend लिख रहे हैं. So, let's see what they tell. 50 Adarsh Nagar, Jaipur, then date, dear Alok, then the body of the letter, yours sincerely, and the signature at the end, right? So, here we have the examples of informal letters. तो अब informal letters के कुछ examples हैं उन्हें पढ़ते हैं. So, it is a letter to father for sending money. राइट तो आपको अपने पापा को एक लेटर लिखना है जिसमें आप उनसे पैसे भेजने की डिमांड कर रहे हो. सो इट इज यू आर राहुल, राइट अ लेटर to your father requesting him to send money to buy some books. राइट, तो आपको एक लेटर लिखना है अपने पापा को जिसमें आप रिक्वेस्ट करोगे उनको कुछ पैसे भेजने के लिए बिकॉज यू हैव टू बाय सम बुक्स. सो इट इज गवर्नमेंट अपर प्राइमरी स्कूल, जयपुर. देन द डेट. माय डियर फादर, yesterday I received your kind letter. I am quite well here. I am glad to tell you that my marks in half-yearly examination are very good. I have to buy a few more books, so please send 600 rupees by money order. With best regards to mother, your loving son, Rahul. Right? Now, moving up to the next one, we have one more example. Let's read this also. An invitation to friend for attending the marriage. अब आप एक friend को letter लिख रहे हो, right? So let's say, imagine that you are Kamal. Write a letter to your friend inviting him to attend the marriage of your brother. So it says 75 Jay Colony, Delhi. Then the date. My dear Kamal, I am glad to inform you that the marriage of my elder brother is going to take place on May 12th. The marriage party will go to Meerut. You are requested to come and attend the ceremony. Right? I request you once again to come at least a week before. With best regards to your parents, yours sincerely, Kamal. Right? Moving ahead, we have a lot more examples for you so that you can read and get a better idea how to frame the sentences. Right? Now, next, we have some examples of formal letters. तो अब जल्दी से कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स फॉर्मल लेटर्स के भी पढ़ लेते हैं so that we can get an idea. A letter about suggestion in child labor, right? So imagine that you're Rahul from Mohan Nagar, Delhi. Write a letter to the editor of the Time of India expressing your suggestion on child labor in India, right? So it is 28 Mohan Nagar, Delhi. Then the date. The editor, The Times of India, New Delhi. Subject, ban on child labor. Dear sir, it will be very kind of you if you publish my view about child labor in our country in your esteemed newspaper. Child labor is banned in India by the government, but still, we can see a lot of children working at many places. They are compelled to do even dangerous works. We should do some things in this matter seriously. Yours truly, Rahul. Correct? Next. Now, we have the next example. Let's read this also. A complaint about the irregular delivery of letters. So, write a letter to the postmaster complaining against the irregular delivery of the letters by the postman of your area. So, Ananda Colony, Jaipur, and then the date. The postmaster, head postmaster, Jaipur. Subject, a complaint about the irregular delivery of the letters. Sir, I want to bring to your kind notice that the postman of Ananda Colony is very careless in delivering the letters. Instead of feeling apologetic for the negligence of his duty, he starts arguing with people, everyone dissatisfied with his behavior. Right? Next, I therefore request you to instruct him to do his duty sincerely. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Amit Kumar. Right? So, as you can see, we have more examples and we have a lot more practice questions for you so that you can improve your writing skills. Right? So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the letters and how you can frame these letters very easily. So, that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.